Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kala Plie Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
Kementeri ka Surok pleng ka makhapi ya katla platengka ka Nirmala Sitharaman haga arphau terek juleu aja arpenriu kala Plie pajba ya ka Surok Jowai Nartiang Jngoh kebencangai subkhandai point khandai san kilometer ya ka balabai pisa da ka New Development Bank haga jenglut ka bakot kumba subkhandai point sapopra klot tengka haga jengilang ka balalong hamadan nila kai Wayajer Multi Sports Complex Stadium Wayajer West Janda Hills District haga jendon lang usambut menteri rangba kajala uba asnyau balang dhar menteri katrat kokoi kakhya uba wailat miki chla menteri katrat puli puthi uba lakaman rumbui chief secretary kajala Dr. Shakil P Ahmed bat kiwe ka Sitharaman glayala ru banyakan bat kisamala puli jong kakyang nang ba government college Jowai bat yak samla ilakai football grassroots jong ka Wayajer center bat nang ni kalali Jngoh ru ya ka temple Srima Jayanti ba yaki Mawbynna badan hakasnong Nartiang.
My colleague in the complex West Janda district on this special occasion. Today is a member district as we gather not only to interact with the future leaders of our nation, the student and youth of Meghalaya, but also to witness the inauguration of the Jowai-Khanduli road, a project that will significantly improve connectivity and strengthen economic opportunities for our people. On behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of West Janda Hills, I extend our sincere gratitude to the government of India under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for its continuous support and commitment toward the development of Meghalaya. Through various initiatives in infrastructure, education, sport, connectivity, digital services, rural development and youth empowerment, the partnership between the center and the state has brought a meaningful change to the life of our citizens. We are especially honored the presence of the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. Her visit reflects the Government of India's commitment to listening to and engage directly with the youth and people of the Northeast. We are deeply thankful for her support toward the development and aspiration of Meghalaya. Today's program also provides an opportunity to celebrate the legacy of Ukyang Nangba, one of the greatest freedom fighters of the Northeast and a proud son of Janda Hills. His courageous resistance against the colonial rule in the 19th century remains a shining example of patriotism, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to justice. The institution named in his honor, Kyang Nangba Government College, carries forward his legacy by nurturing generations of young minds and responsible citizens. The students gathered here today, I encourage you to draw inspiration from Ukyang Nangba, courage, resilience, and leadership. The future of Meghalaya lies in your hand, and your ideas, talent, and determination will shape the progress of our state and our nation. As a Minister of Sport and Youth Affairs, I am particularly delighted to see so many young sportspersons present. Sport teach discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and excellent qualities that are equally important in life. Structure and opportunities to that our youth can realize their full potential.
Maybe I should say is maybe the first Union's finance minister who visits the Janda Hills region. So, on behalf of people of Janda Hills, Madam, we express our gratitude to you. We saw your actions since you took as Finance Minister, Government of India. The amount of help, the support you have been support to my states is uncountable. Even this studio is partly from Saski. And then last, Meghalaya gave the house here. It really been a success. Under leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi, and also under leadership of young Delhi Chief Minister Sitharaman. Our state is moving ahead. And we have seen, Madam, for the last few years, especially under the NDA-led governments of India, the way how you show example to us as a state leaders, the way how you accept our proposal, the way how you teach us how to move forward, how to approach the people, how to live with the people, Madam. I remember I talked this in different occasions. The first government of India is the only NDA government. We had the ministers from the state, we write a letter to the government of India. Within 1 week, we get reply from the respective minister. It really shows the responsible, the respectable to the state leaders, Madam. And also maybe the only NDA government's union cabinet minister who really visit frequently to our state. And also northern eastern state. Like this last few days when Gagariji come to witness some of the program in Shillong, it seemed that more than 700 ministers visited on this state within this short span. It's really appreciated. And before, Madam, for the last 10-15 years, the world's government of India is very far from us. Government of India seems so far, but now government of India is coming to us. Let us give a big round of applause. So this shows that you are really responsible for the people. And the beauty is that you never come whether big state or small state. You did a simple manner. And I would like to express this. Union ministers keep coming every now and then. This is really make us happy, make us more responsible, give us more sincere in the work that we have performed. And from my side, I would not want to speak much because we would like to give time to you because we are local leaders from here. So Madam will give time to you, and especially for me as a Deputy Chief Minister of the state, and especially from this region, we really feel proud. Your coming here is uncountable blessing for us. So thank you so much, Madam. We need so much development, but hopefully I would request, I know that you always remember Meghalaya in your heart. So thank you so much, Madam.
This one the rhizome, then this finger. Then from this finger, we will wash it by machine, or we can wash by our hands. Then we slice it. This is we slice. This is just after slice. Yeah, with the seed. Yeah, this is Piala Kadang. It is 7 plus cartoon.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.